How much did YouTube pay me for 5K views? So if you're new to my channel, I'm a small YouTuber living in Jamaica and I got monetized last May 2023. But I've actually been creating YouTube videos since 2021. So since I got monetized, I've actually had a few videos do pretty well, and by that I mean between 5K and 20K views. So today we're going to talk about the ones that hit 5K views, and I actually have 3 videos that are currently at 5K views. So we're going to look into our analytics and see how much we actually made. But before we can talk about our YouTube earnings, we have to understand these terms, CPM and RPM. CPM is basically cost per 1,000 impressions. This is the amount that advertisers pay for every 1,000 ad impressions on YouTube videos. An ad impression is counted when an ad is actually displayed, so whether on screen, sometimes you see ad below the video, sometimes it's played in the actual video, etc. Those are actually ad impressions. So CPM is what advertisers pay directly to YouTube to show ads on our videos. Now let's talk about RPM. So RPM is what the creator makes per 1,000 views on YouTube. RPM is actually short for revenue per mille, MILLE. RPM can also include other things apart from YouTube ads, such as super thanks, channel membership, super chats, super stickers, etc. I should also mention that CPM can be affected by a number of factors, such as the location of your viewers or your audience. First world countries such as US, Canada, UK, their CPM will be a lot higher than third world countries such as Jamaica. Some other factors that can also affect CPM include the nature of the content. So niches like finance, education, technology, those CPMs tend to be higher. It can also be affected by the season of the year. So some seasons they have a greater demand for goods and services. Another factor can be video length. If the video is longer than 8 minutes, you get to put mid-roll ads, which are ads during the video and not just at the start and at the end. So as I said, CPM is what advertisers pay to YouTube. RPM is what the creator gets. From ad revenue, YouTube actually takes 45% of the CPM of any channel, and the creator gets the remaining 55%. These percentages can vary at times because CPM only includes monetized views, while RPM includes the total number of views, whether monetized or not monetized. So now that we've talked about CPM and RPM, let's get into how much I actually earned for these 3 videos on my channel that got to 5K views. Let's go. I wrote down the analytics for these 3 videos, so I do have some notes in front of me. So if you see me looking down, that's the reason why. So let's talk about the first video. The first video is about how you can get your learner's license in Jamaica in 2024. Now that video was actually my most viewed video compared to the 10 previous videos at that time. The video is 8 minutes long, and on average people watch 3 minutes and 18 seconds, which is about 41%. So far this video has 5,333 views with 293 watch hours, and I've received 66 subscribers from it. It got a total of 22.7k impressions with a click-through rate of 10.8%. Click-through rate is basically the percentage of people from your impressions that actually click on the video. This video got a lot of views from external sources, and that means if I promote it on my socials, it also got a good amount of views from Google. People are searching up how to get my learners, how to get my license. terms like that. So it did get a number of views from Google, also YouTube search, because you know Google and YouTube go hand in hand. We also got some views from suggested videos and also browse features. Let's talk about the demographics of the viewers that watch the video. Most viewers are in the 18 to 24 or 25 to 34 age range, and that is because we are the ones and I say we because I'm in my 20s, so we are the ones trying to get our license, trying to get our learners. I'm currently still trying to get my license. I do have my learners, but I'm trying to get my real driver's license. The gender was 18% male and 82% female, so I guess more males have their license already compared to females. And of course, the top geography of these viewers was Jamaica, because the video is for Jamaicans by a Jamaican. Let's get into the money part. The CPM for this video was actually $2.49 per 1K views, and these are different types of ads that are shown on the video. Now remember, CPM is not what I earn, but is what is paid to YouTube. The RPM for this video is $1.24. And to get the revenue for the video, we will simply multiply the 124 by 5.3. That gives us $6.57. Yummy. So let's get into the second video that also hit 5K views. Remember that a lot of factors can affect CPM, RPM, so all of these videos got 5K views, and I made a totally different amount for all 3 videos. So the second video is about how to shop on Temu in Jamaica. That video was just about 10 minutes long. On average, people watch 3 minutes of that video, which is basically 31%. This video has 5,508 views to date, 283 watch hours, and I've received 61 subscribers from it so far. It has 24.1k impressions with a click-through rate of 11.3%, and viewers found this video similar to the one we discussed before. So YouTube search, Google search, and again the top geography was Jamaica because the video is for Jamaicans. The CPM for this video was significantly higher than the other one. I'm not exactly sure why, but this video is a bit longer than the first one, so that could be a factor. The CPM for this video is $7.49 per 1K views, and the RPM is $4.33. So we do the multiplication, and the revenue for this video is $23.81. That's actually more than 3 times the amount I made for the first video. Let's move on to the third and final video. By now you can assume that I made of these 3 videos, the final video is the one that I made the most of. Yeah. So the third and final video is a vlog about Seaguard, the beach resort, which is in Montego Bay. My husband and I stayed there for our half-year wedding anniversary. Yeah, that was our little celebration. We totally enjoyed it. Would definitely recommend. You guys can go and check out the video if you're looking for an affordable hotel to stay in Jamaica. The video is actually 14 minutes long and is watched for an average of 4 minutes and 27 seconds, which is about 31%. Currently, it's at 5,653 views with 419 watch hours and 21 new subscribers. Already, this video has more watch hours than the other 2, and it's also the longest of the 3. So, we have some data to work with already. This video has a total of 41.4k impressions with a click-through rate of 10.8%. And the bulk of the views on this video is from YouTube search. These are some of the search terms that people are searching for. Of course, Sea Garden Montego Bay, Sea Garden Resort Montego Bay. The age range for the viewers for this video is 25 to 34, 100% female, because I guess females are the ones that usually book the hotels, make the arrangements, stuff like that. I don't know. For me, in our marriage, I'm usually the one to do that, so I'm guessing it's right across the board, because why is it 100% female? I don't know still. But this video is actually dominated by US viewers, with a small percentage from Canada and Jamaica. So you know that's good for the earnings. So let's go over to the revenue for this video. The CPM is actually a whopping $33.80 with a RPM of $13.81. You know, we go ahead and do our regular multiplication, and the total I made for this video with 5k views, drum roll, $77.92. Woo! So again, more than 3 times the amount I made for the second video. So the first video I made $6.57. For the second one, I made $23.81. And then for the third one, $77.92. And these 3 videos, all of them are at 5k views, but different factors lead to different amounts. So I hope you guys understand just the difference in revenue that you can make from different YouTube videos. Pretty much all YouTubers make a different amount. So this is just to encourage small YouTubers. If you are not yet monetized, keep going. Keep going, literally do not give up. Your day when you will be monetized is coming very soon. I actually have a video about how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers with the tips that I used to get my very first 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to link that video right up here. It will be in the description, and I'm also gonna put it at the end screen, so you can't miss it. So if you're trying to get your first 1k subscribers, definitely go ahead and check out that video. If you are a small YouTuber and you are already monetized, hey, keep posting, keep going just the same, because you never know when you're gonna get that viral video and you know you're gonna make some coins. I mean, you can make coins from all your videos, as you see by just these 3 videos that I've shared with you guys. I've made over $100 from these 3 videos. You don't even have to go viral to make a decent amount of money. But keep pushing, guys. We're all in this together, so let's just keep supporting, keep encouraging each other. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click the like button. If you're a YouTuber, drop me a comment. Let me know where you're at in your YouTube journey. Share this video with a fellow YouTuber. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!